Good morning, fellow YouTubers. I thought I would get on here because I wanted to explain my channel. It's really gonna be, it's almost gonna be, it's almost going to be kind of a personal journal for me. I should have probably practiced this and got my words together, huh? I'm very inexperienced, if you can't tell. But it is going to be a personal journal, kind of, for me, outlining and following me from the start of my candle business and how I'll progress, things I learned, what I've changed. And so it's kind of going to be a video journal of that sort, but at the same time, I also want to be another resource for anyone who may be in my position, starting out, not really knowing much, wanting to succeed and learn as much as you can, and just being super excited about the process, because I'm super excited. Unfortunately, some life occurrences has caused me to, have to put a pause on that. But what I have done in the process is to at least have my supplies, and I'm so super excited. Before the life altering change occurred, I was excuse me, let me get some water. It's early. But I was super excited about just starting. Maybe I can show you guys. Let me see. I don't know. No, I can't. Oh well, I can. I just have to turn you guys to it. Okay, come over here with me so you can kind of see my little station here. So these are all my boxes. Those are my kits that I started with. You see those? And then those are all my boxes for my candle stuff. I don't know how clear that is, if you guys can see it, but yeah, so I was like, I'm gonna get all my supplies and, get ready to go. I can't wait to get started, and then life happened. As it often does, right? I'm sure you guys know exactly what that's about. But I did just want to come on here and give you a kind of a brief introduction of what this channel will be about and what you can expect if you decide to follow me. I would definitely appreciate any likes, subscriptions, comments, all of that, any questions that you guys may have from anything that I may know already, or that I haven't thought about, and then I could, find that information for you as well. I know what I've been hearing is that this genre or this niche of candle making has like really boomed recently. And so I'm pretty sure there's a whole bunch of you out there just like me who are just trying to navigate this world and learn, all that we can learn, right? So I'm super excited, and I hope you guys will follow. I hope you'll subscribe, like, and comment. And then we'll be able to go from there. So thank you for watching. And again, just a brief introduction of what I plan to be doing with this channel, so you can expect what's coming is what I want to do with my line, what jars I'm starting with, what wicks and stuff you can watch. I'm gonna plan on showing you guys me testing and showing you first candles. So what I have done already is what I showed you guys with the kits. I made a couple candles from the kits that I purchased, but then I realized, so the kits are great. Don't get me wrong, they're awesome. They give you the concept, and they definitely let you know there's more to candle making than you probably thought. I will be honest and admit that I thought candle making was get a jar, get a wick, get some color, get some wax, make a candle. Sounds simple enough. And then, boy, did I find out differently. So, if there's anyone out there like me that thought that same thing, I want to be, excuse me, goodness gracious, more water. Okay. I want to be a resource for you, and I want to also be there to help anyone who is just starting out like I was. I'm still fairly new, but I've learned a lot in my researching. So if there's anyone who doesn't know anything and is like a blank slate like I was, then definitely ask me some questions and I can help you to learn what I've learned, send you to some sites and resources that I've gained, and we can learn together. So I think it'll be fun. And again, this is like a personal journal for me, capturing capturing my start to wherever I am in later times, and and capturing my growth. So I hope you guys will join me. I can't wait to get some interaction going and for my channel to grow. I'm really looking forward to what this all can bring. So thanks for watching. See you next time.